Welcome back to Infotainment, where we uncover the secrets to a healthier, happier life. Are you on weight loss medication but not seeing the results you expected? The problem might not be the medication, but the foods you're eating. In this video, we're revealing 10 shocking foods that obstruct weight loss meds and could be sabotaging your journey to a healthier you. You won't believe how some of these common foods can counteract your hard work and medication. But don't worry, we won't just leave you guessing. We'll also share healthier, delicious alternatives to keep you on track. What if the key to unlocking your full potential on these meds lies in just a few simple dietary changes? Stay with us to uncover these surprising food culprits and learn the smarter choices that can make all the difference. Your path to effective weight loss starts right here. As someone who has struggled with weight management for years, I understand the frustration of trying various methods without achieving lasting results. That's why when I decided to incorporate weight loss medication into my journey, I was determined to do it right. However, what I soon realized was that diet plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of these medications. Despite taking the prescribed dosage, certain foods can sabotage the intended effects, leaving you feeling discouraged and questioning the medication's efficacy. In this video, I'll share the surprising foods that can hinder the progress of weight loss medication and provide you with ideal alternatives to support your journey. By making informed dietary choices, you can maximize the benefits of your medication and achieve the sustainable weight loss you've been striving for. Before we dive into the foods that can sabotage weight loss medication, it's essential to understand how these medications work and their limitations. Weight loss medications typically fall into two categories: appetite suppressants and fat absorption inhibitors. Appetite suppressants work by reducing hunger signals in the brain, making it easier to consume fewer calories. On the other hand, fat absorption inhibitors prevent the body from absorbing a portion of the fat consumed, leading to fewer calories being absorbed. However, it's important to note that while these medications can be effective aids, they are not a magic solution. Their effectiveness is heavily dependent on your overall diet and lifestyle choices. Certain foods can counteract the mechanisms of these medications, rendering them less effective or even ineffective. One of the biggest culprits that can sabotage weight loss medication is high-sugar foods. Whether it's sugary beverages, desserts, or even seemingly innocent items like flavored yogurts, excessive sugar intake can wreak havoc on your weight loss efforts. When you consume high amounts of sugar, your body experiences a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, triggering the release of insulin. Insulin is a hormone that facilitates the storage of excess calories as fat, which can counteract the effects of weight loss medication. Additionally, high-sugar foods often lack essential nutrients and fiber, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and prone to overeating. This can lead to a vicious cycle of cravings and overconsumption, ultimately undermining the effectiveness of your medication. Processed foods, such as packaged snacks, frozen meals, and fast food, are another culprit that can sabotage weight loss medication. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and additives, which can contribute to inflammation, water retention, and other metabolic disturbances. Moreover, processed foods are typically low in fiber and nutrient density, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and more likely to overeat. This can negate the appetite-suppressing effects of weight loss medication and make it harder to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. While an occasional glass of wine or beer may seem harmless, excessive alcohol consumption can have a significant impact on the effectiveness of weight loss medication. Alcohol is high in empty calories and can stimulate appetite, leading to increased food intake. Furthermore, alcohol can interfere with the absorption and metabolism of certain weight loss medications, reducing their efficacy. It can also disrupt sleep patterns and dehydrate the body, both of which can negatively impact weight loss efforts. While caffeine is often touted as a metabolism booster and appetite suppressant, excessive consumption can actually hinder weight loss efforts when combined with certain medications. Caffeine can increase heart rate, blood pressure, and anxiety levels, which can counteract the effects of some weight loss medications. Additionally, caffeine can disrupt sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and increased cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods. It's important to be mindful of your caffeine intake and consult with your healthcare provider to understand how it may interact with your specific medication. While healthy fats are an essential part of a balanced diet, consuming excessive amounts of high-fat foods can interfere with the effectiveness of certain weight loss medications, particularly those that inhibit fat absorption. When you consume large quantities of fat, your body may struggle to process and absorb it efficiently, leading to digestive issues and reduced medication efficacy. High-fat foods can also contribute to feelings of lethargy and sluggishness, making it harder to maintain an active lifestyle and adhere to a weight loss plan. Sodium is often overlooked when it comes to weight loss, but it can be a significant contributor to water retention and weight fluctuations. Consuming excessive amounts of sodium-rich foods, such as processed meats, canned soups, and salty snacks, can lead to bloating and a temporary weight plateau. Additionally, high sodium intake can increase blood pressure and contribute to inflammation, which can impact the effectiveness of certain weight loss medications. By limiting your sodium intake and choosing low-sodium alternatives, you can support your weight loss efforts and enhance the effects of your medication. While carbohydrates are an essential macronutrient, consuming excessive amounts of carb-heavy foods can interfere with the absorption and effectiveness of certain weight loss medications. When you consume large quantities of carbohydrates, especially refined and processed varieties, your body experiences rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. This can trigger the release of insulin, which can promote fat storage and potentially counteract the effects of your medication. Furthermore, carb-heavy foods often lack essential nutrients and fiber, leaving you feeling unsatisfied and prone to overeating. This can negate the appetite-suppressing effects of weight loss medication and make it harder to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. Now that we've explored the surprising foods that can sabotage weight loss medication, let's delve into the ideal alternatives that can support your journey and enhance the effectiveness of your medication. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based sources like lentils and tofu can help you feel fuller for longer and support muscle maintenance during weight loss. Aim for a portion of lean protein at every meal. Fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes can promote feelings of fullness and support healthy digestion. They can also help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes that can interfere with medication absorption. While it's important to limit excessive fat intake, incorporating healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish can provide essential nutrients and promote satiety. Choosing low-sodium options such as fresh or frozen vegetables, lean meats, and unsalted nuts and seeds can help prevent water retention and support healthy blood pressure levels. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water and herbal teas can support digestion, flush out toxins, and prevent dehydration, which can contribute to cravings and overeating. To maximize the effectiveness of your weight loss medication, it's essential to create a balanced and sustainable eating plan. Here are some tips to help you get started. Plan your meals. Meal planning and preparation can help you make healthier choices and avoid reaching for convenient but sabotaging foods. Practice portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially for high-calorie foods, and use tools like measuring cups and food scales to ensure accurate portions. Incorporate variety. Variety in your diet can help you meet your nutrient needs and prevent boredom, which can lead to cravings and overeating. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel and adjust your diet accordingly. Everyone's body responds differently to certain foods. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, or a weight loss group who can encourage and motivate you on your journey. While weight loss medication can be a valuable tool in your journey, it's important to remember that diet plays a crucial role in its effectiveness. By avoiding surprising sabotaging foods like high-sugar, processed and sodium-rich options, and embracing nutrient-dense alternatives, you can maximize the benefits of your medication and achieve sustainable weight loss. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and progress may not always be linear. Celebrate small victories, be patient with yourself, and remain committed to making mindful dietary choices. With perseverance and a balanced approach, you can overcome obstacles and reach your weight loss goals while prioritizing your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information on foods that can obstruct weight loss meds helpful. Remember, making the right dietary choices is crucial for maximizing the effectiveness of your medication. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Infotainment, for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.